Hey guys, Marlon from Impress Computers, and today we have another custom build. This machine is pretty basic. It's only $1,100, and the beauty of this, it's an entry-level computer with a Ryzen processor, 8 gigs of RAM. It's got a nice tempered glass case, and it also has a 4 gig video card. If you're trying to get into entry-level gaming, this video card is able to run basic performance, and it can also carry about medium to high level gaming. So if you're trying to play, the new Modern Warfare Call of Duty that was out, or if you're trying to get into kind of the basics of virtual reality, or if you're trying to do racing and that type of thing, this machine is pretty basic and it'll be able to run whatever you throw in there. If you're trying to plan upgrades in the future, this machine is also capable of doing that. You also got 3 more slots on the RAM, and that video card you can use for a spare machine and upgrade to like an 8 gig or even 11 gigs if you'd like for gaming. So if you have any questions on this build or any other builds, leave your comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.